Hello friends, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we will be doing our day 2 of the breakfast and lunch combo, and the menu is Idli Sambar for breakfast and Puli Sadam or Tamarind Rice for lunch. Now one small tip which I would like to give here, this day 2 recipe, if you make it on a Monday it will be easy because for your pre-preparation you will have to grind idli dosa batter and keep. So that it will be easier for you on a holiday if you are a working woman. So on Sunday you can grind the idli dosa batter and keep ready so that you can use it during the weekdays. Today is our day 2 of breakfast and lunch combo. Today's breakfast we are going to have idli and sambar, and for lunch we are going to have Puli Sadam, which is tamarind rice in a different style. So let us start. Now again, pre-preparation for this video, the previous day you have to grind your idli dosa batter and keep ready overnight. For this I have taken 1 cup of raw rice, 1 cup of idli rice, 1 cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of methi seed. Now a very easy method I am telling you. So wash them, soak them all together, grind them together in a mixie to a smooth paste and allow it to ferment overnight. You have to soak it for about 3 hours, then grind it and allow it to ferment overnight or for 10 to 12 hours. Okay, so 2 things. One is your idli dosa batter should be ready as pre-preparation. Also grate your coconut and keep ready also in the pre-preparation. So 2 items for pre-preparation. Now let's start. First let us keep the rice for the Puli Sadam. I have taken 1 cup of rice, to which I am adding 2 cups of water, and we will keep it in a pressure cooker. This should be the first thing, so that we have to wait for the pressure to release and open the cooker, etc. So let this get done. Next, I have soaked here a little bit of tamarind for the sambar and a slightly larger lemon size ball of tamarind for the tamarind rice or Puli Sadam. So let this be soaking. Preferably if you soak it in hot water, it will get done faster. Now this sambar, the speciality is, this is a sambar for your busy mornings, and we are going to make it without any cooked dal. It's a sambar in a jiffy. So let's see how to make. For that, heat a little bit of oil in a pan. Now first we have to grind the masala for the sambar, for which I have heated a little bit of oil. Add about a tablespoon of Daniya seeds and 2 teaspoons of Chana Dal and some red chillies. Here I am taking 5 or 6 red chillies. And saute them together. Saute all these together till the dal is also well roasted. Meanwhile, we have got 3 whistles of the pressure cooker. Switch that off also. Transfer this masala to a blender jar, and then we will grind it to a paste when it is slightly cooled down. To this paste, add 2 heaped teaspoons of grated coconut, and then because we are not adding any cooked dal, the special ingredient here is this roasted gram, Daniya dal, putani dal, the dal which we use for making chutneys generally. Add about half a cup of that. That will give the thickness for your sambar. And then slice up half an onion, add to it, and also add 1 tomato to it. And then we'll grind all this together into a fine paste in the mixer jar. keep this aside. While that is cooling, let us continue the sambar preparation. Here I have some radish with me. So basically we need tomato, onion, green chilies for the sambar. That alone is fine. But if you have radish or yellow pumpkin or carrot, you add those, it will also taste very good. So take a piece of radish, wash and peel it, and then cut it into pieces. Along with that, slice up 1 or 2 onions also. And also chop some tomatoes. Heat some oil in a pan and then add in your chopped onions, chopped radish, and green chilli slit whole like this. Saute them together. While we are waiting for the onions to be fried, we can grind the masala and keep ready. Now the masala has been blended to a fine paste. The onions and the radish have also been cooking. To this, add the chopped tomatoes now. And continue cooking till the tomatoes become very soft and mushy. Add some salt. This will also help the cooking process. Add some turmeric powder to this. While we are waiting for the tomatoes also to get cooked, add some water and extract the juice from the tamarind for the sambar. I have not taken much of tamarind because I have increased the quantity of tomatoes. We have taken about I think 4 to 5 tomatoes. They were not very big ones though. Anyway, for the tamarind rice, let us keep the onions also ready. Generally, when we made pulihora or tamarind rice, as I have shown you earlier, we don't add onions or garlic to it. But this is a variation which is called as Puli Sadam. This essentially translates into tamarind rice. So this has got some onions and also some garlic in it for flavor. So you can chop up the onions and garlic while you are waiting for the tomatoes and to get cooked for the sambar. Also, this is the tamarind which we had soaked for the tamarind rice. Extract that also. See, all the vegetables are cooked for the sambar. Now let's pour in the tamarind extract. Just allow this to come to a boil for a couple of minutes so that the raw smell goes away. Get ready for making the idlis. Take some oil and grease an idli mold. The sambar is boiling well. Now add the ground masala to this. Mix it well and just again allow it to boil for a couple of minutes. I have added some water to the mixie jar so that I can remove all the masala and pour into this now. So the sambar has come to a boil, switch it off. Your tasty sambar for your idli is ready. Now, all you have to do is seasoning. Heat some oil. Add some mustard seeds. A little bit of hing, one dry red chilli and a few curry leaves. Pour it on top of the sambar. Next, see the pressure has released from the cooker. Check on the rice. Done. Remove it. Water to boil in your cooker and let us keep the idlis. Now keep this idli stand. Close your cooker. You are not going to put the weight. Just steam it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Slightly reduce the flame. So your rice is ready, your sambar is ready, your idlis are steaming. Now for the Puli Sadam, what we have to make. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. 4 dry red chillies I have broken and added to that. Add about 2 tablespoons of groundnut, some curry leaves and saute them. Next add in the pieces of garlic and also the sliced onions. And again fry them for a few minutes. Add some hing to this. Add a pinch of haldi and some salt. The onions are fried. Add this tamarind extract to it. And allow it to come to a boil. Meanwhile, take the required quantity of rice. Transfer the rice to another vessel where you can spread it out like this and lightly fluff it up and also add some oil to it. So we are just allowing it to cool a bit. By the time your Puli Sadam gravy is ready, then we can mix it to the rice. Now let's open the cooker. We have switched it off. The idlis are ready. So just sprinkle some water on them like this. This gravy is also thickened nicely. See, this is also ready. You can switch it off. While we are waiting for the idlis to cool down for a minute, what we can do is add this Puli Sadam gravy to your rice. Mix it well. Finally add a teaspoon of Dhania Powder to it. It adds a very good flavor to your rice. See, your tasty Puli Sadam is also ready to be packed for lunch. Now let us remove the idlis. Now you can start removing the idlis. As I said, keep some water in a bowl. Take a spoon, wet the spoon every time and then remove. your day 2 breakfast and lunch combo is ready. Idli, Sambar and Puli Sadam. Now everything I have made it very simple, at the same time no compromise on taste or quality. As I told you, this very simple and easy method of making idlis. You will find so many different methods, but this is the easiest and which gives the best results. And also sambar without dal we have made, and the puli sadam, it tastes very good. So as I always say, in case you are carrying it to office for lunch, all you need to do is just pack it into a box. See that the grains remain separate like this, and you don't need anything particular as a combination. You can just have some chips or any fry-ups to go along with it, or even a little bit of curd is good. Or if you are having it at home later on during the day, that's also fine. So do try out these recipes and share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen, and come back to Geeta's Kitchen for more such tasty recipes, and let's see what we have in store for day 3. Thank you.